For today's Christmas cookie recipe, we're making these easy and delicious peppermint brownie cookies. To begin, in a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 of a cup of cocoa powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Whisk this until everything is well combined and then set aside. In a separate large bowl, or the bowl of a stand mixer, place 1/2 cup of softened butter, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Using your mixer, cream together the butter and sugar on low speed for 2 to 3 minutes or until everything is well incorporated and the mixture is nice and smooth and creamy. Now we can add in 1 large room temperature egg, as well as 1/2 of a teaspoon of pure peppermint extract. We're going to once again mix this on low for another 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture is nice and pale and airy. Now we'll add in our dry ingredients. We're going to do this in 2 additions, mixing until it's just combined. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below, and I'm going to include the instructions for freezing the cookies down there as well, so make sure to check that out. Once all of the flour is incorporated, then we are going to add in our chocolate chips. And you could mix these in with your mixer if you would like, but I like to use a spatula. Now I'm adding 1/2 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, but you could use whatever type you would like. Now I'm just going to stir until these are combined. Now this dough needs to be refrigerated for a minimum of 2 hours up to 3 days. If you're leaving it in there overnight, just remove it about half an hour before you want to scoop your cookies. I'm going to use a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop and place these onto parchment lined cookie sheets. And if you don't have one of these cookie scoops, just drop them by the rounded tablespoonful. These are going to bake in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes. They'll be super soft when they come out, so let them stand in the pan for about 5 minutes before you move them to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. These cookies are delicious as is, but I like to top them with an easy icing. So I'm going to combine 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Whisking until everything is well combined and adding a little bit more water if needed until the icing is my desired thickness. I'm going to transfer it into a piping bag and I'm just going to drizzle it on top of my cooled peppermint brownie cookies to finish them off. These are one of my most popular Christmas cookies and it's easy to see why. With a rich fudgy chocolate flavor, the perfect hint of peppermint, and a soft brownie middle, these cookies truly encompass all of my favorite Christmas flavors. If you have enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'm going to link the rest of my 12 Days of Christmas Cookies series here.